Hi again everyone, Ken from Whittling Woods. Today we're going to do a quick little whittle here. It's just a kind of a warm-up practice whittle on a piece of scrap wood. This is an old piece of some kind of pine. It was an old shelf support. You can see it's still painted. It's 3/4 by the total thing is 4.5 inches. I've used this before. It carves okay, but we're just using this old pocket knife here and Rough Rider pocket knife. We're going to just try to put a little figure in, 15 minutes or so. I think that's all it should take. You just gotta get off some of that old paint. I know some people don't have access to. They mentioned they don't have access because of where they live. They don't have access to basswood or particular carving knives. So sometimes every so often I like to just throw in a whittle like this. I'm just cleaning up the outside of it. Alrighty. So we'll put a hat on them, say I guess right about here or so. Again, these are whittles where they're kind of like practice sketches. If you some type of artist and you're just doing warm-up sketches before you do your piece. Sometimes this kind of stuff is good to do, but honestly, it's just the kind of whittle where you really don't think much about it. You just kind of go with the flow and find a piece of wood and just kind of make it work. I'm not really sure how well this wood's going to carve. It's a little rough. Require a little bit of cleanup on my knife when I'm done, but so be it. I always like to try different types of wood. This probably isn't even white pine. It's probably like some kind of yellow pine because it seems a little hard. I don't know how. I don't think it's gonna have a lot of ability to hold much detail, but we'll see what happens. We're going to kind of cut back in here. Let's put his nose right about here, bottom of his nose. Come down here along the side, one side of his nose, and the other side of his nose. I have plenty of videos showing you how I typically go about this, so go check them out. This is more of a just not necessarily a full tutorial, but just a kind of an idea of whittling without much, just old kind of whittling where you get a piece of wood and you see what you can. You don't think too much about it and you're just gonna go with it. I don't really worry about how they come out sometimes on these. I think we get this a little deeper. There we go. So there we are. And we'll kind of come down over here. We'll make this the kind of his hair kind of coming on there from his hat and going all the way down here. So put a line in like that over there. And another one coming down like so. And then we're going to come back here and just remove wood on that side of his face. Same thing over here, where we're going to come back and try to keep it in the camera there. There you go. He's got long hair. It's kind of going in front of his eyes and everything else, so. There we are. And I guess we'll make the hair come down. I'll give him long hair. There you go. How about a beard now? We'll take the beard from over here, we'll bring that down, and we'll go, I guess, from here, and we'll bring that down as well. And then we're going to come back, remove the wood on that side of the cut. And this side of the cut, just to make the beard stand out a little bit. I'm going to try to keep this in the camera. Alrighty. There you go. Got a nice long beard, this old fella. Something like that. Let's give him boots down around here. He's got some kind of long. I don't know what he's got on. Ooh, I'm hitting a knot over here, it looks like. Yep. First I thought maybe it was a nail. There you go, kind of like that. And we'll just start rounding this out a bit. I'm going to split these boots right down the middle. These are just easy peasy whittles. Nothing to them. All right, let's trim this back. And we'll say, let's see here. Bring this back over here. And let's say he's got his arms maybe in his pockets over here, down that way. And then we'll come back over here to form the back of the arm. or I should say his hands in his pockets, right? Just gives that look that he's got hands in a pocket, you can see like that. And he's got paint on his little pants here. So there, and on this side, same thing. Alrighty. So, a little cleanup. Let's see his arm over here. Let's clean this up a little bit. Give him a little bit of a back. Like I might put a little swoop in there like so. Kind of like you can see it like that. There you go. Not too difficult. And we'll come down here, and we'll see if we could split the thing for his pants here. And it doesn't look like he's got a dress on. Alrighty. Okay. Let's put a little cut over here to form his cheek and beard. And then one over here. It just kind of makes it look a little bit better. We can give him a little indication of a mustache. Put a cut there, bring it right around, there. Bring that right around too. All right. That's really all you need to do. We kind of gave it, we kind of made it look like a figure, and we did it all in like 15 minutes or so. So there you go. Just a little little quick whittle there. I'm just going to clean it up. Well, clean it up. I'll show you. I'll clean my desk here and what I'm going to do, and I'll show you. Be right back. Okay, we're all done here. So you can see it didn't take very long at all, about 15 minutes or so. Just a little figure here with a pocket knife and this old shelf support. So just goes to show you, you can do a quick little, well, it's nothing fancy. Probably you could paint it up. Probably, maybe I will or won't. I don't know. I kind of like it like this. I might just he's still got, if you can see right around here, he's still got a little paint on his pants. I'm going to leave that because I think that's kind of cool. Reminds me that it's from an old shelf support, and I kind of like that little. Whoops! I had a little piece of wood propping them up a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Something pretty straightforward and relatively easy to do, and a quick little whittle for you this week. Alrighty, have a great whittling week. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.